is a high degree of risk involved in trading cryptocurrencies. Our thoughts and ideas are for entertainment purposes only. Please consult your personal advisor or do your own research. Past results are not indicative of future returns. Thank you.
Good morning, July 13th. Just going to continue with what we were discussing last night on our live broadcast. We have the Bitcoin 30-minute in front of us. We've been calling for this wave 1 and then a wave 2 pullback to support. We did pull back to a little bit below the 0.618, but quickly reversed that last night while we were live on YouTube. So I think now we've done a 1-2. Now from here we need continued strength and a move above that 68.40 level to get things popping to the upside. So that's the look here. The crypto software Pulse of the Market is working correctly this morning. We're going to bring that up here in just a moment. So stay in your seat. We've got, let's go through a few more here. Dash has been much weaker, than had a nice rally above 240 last night. So hopefully that thing is oversold. Classic 1665 held that higher support at 1570 nicely. Still looking good. Ethereum broke down reverse last night. Need to get that one moving to the upside. Litecoin 77.35, a little quiet. Neo came back. We thought 35 below would be support. Got a little deeper than we'd like with the Bitcoin break, but just need to see some strength return there. And then a couple more here real quick before we go to the software. DigiByte holding in nicely. Looks like a triangle forming up here, so that one we like. And then Made is still doing well up here near 35. And then let's just go to a couple more here real quick. We got our Zen 2050. We like the looks of that chart. And ZRX came back down to 0.618 and reversed quickly last night. So let's bring in our software here. You can see this is the WWCI. This is not all set up to present. It's really getting staged at the moment. And this is the crypto index. And you can see down here, this is volume and trading from 89 exchanges. You can see our OP force and technometer is calculating correctly. Now we're really just testing for reliability, bringing in all the symbol pairs. They're working on that today, saying that kind of is going to update automatically. And then I'm just kind of watching again the OP force and technometer, make sure I believe everything's getting calculated correctly. But you can see here, there's Bitcoin, comes up quickly. You can see the OP here went to a new low for the move while Bitcoin's holding higher. That would be considered constructive. Force index is holding up, constructive. Technometer down to 40.39. Normally 38 is oversold. So first glance at Bitcoin charts looking much better. But again, I've got to follow this here, check reliability and double check some calculations, make sure everything's good. But we are finally getting there. So here's Ethereum. Technometer down to 37.53. You can see oversold and actually more oversold than back here. You can see OP is hitting new low, meaning sell volumes came in, but for now the previous low held. So again, that's a constructive looking chart. And then let's just bring up, hold on here. Let's bring up OMG real quick, see how that one looks. Starting to calculate as we need. Once again, oversold. There was a lot of selling came in here on OMG recently, so it is oversold. It did break to a new low. So once again, over the weekend, hopefully they bring in the 1,500 trading pairs, so we'll have more to look at. And just making sure that everything's calculated correctly. So hopefully we're coming down the home stretch with the software. I know everyone's waited 6 months for this. Gave me a bunch of grief and stress, but I've stayed with it. Lots of troubles and costs, but we're getting there. So we will, I'm not sure if I'm going home for the weekend. If not, we might catch you live this weekend, but I'll try to do some recordings if Bitcoin can get going to the upside here. Have a great weekend.
LearnCrypto.io is the pathway to your understanding of cryptocurrencies. At our website, you can learn about the grandfather of technical analysis, Richard D. Wyckoff, purchase our Cryptocurrencies and Wyckoff trading course, and read our daily updated blog. You can also find the link to our YouTube channel, where you will get technical analysis and fundamental research about cryptocurrencies on the daily. If you are too busy with family, retirement, work, or all of the above, then just click on our Crypto PCG link and allow us to manage your cryptocurrency portfolio for you. You give us trading APIs so we can enter orders and manage your portfolio, but cannot withdraw or transfer any of your coins or funds. We manage clients' portfolios for a respectable 3% annual fee, which is billed in 1/4 quarterly installments. Don't hesitate. Contact us today, because with these 24-hour, 7-day-a-week crypto markets, it helps to have a professional as a part of your team.